they're not.
We're done.
Yeah, lick the hot skillet, dog.
You're here after an earthquake.
Why not? I'm 13 years old. I know what to do.
Okay.
Dude, the age gap between him and his wife is a little much.
Yeah. Good for him.
He must be really successful.
When you do it.
When the ground moves, people want to hear from a seismologist, not a pencil.
I broke up with my last girlfriend because she was a total seismologist.
Nice.
I hope he makes it to the end of the volcano.
You have him on the right side of the screen, credits rolling up on the left. He's just tapping away.
That'd be great.
This is where those guys died. 7 guys right here.
Great, glad we're staying right.
Yeah, that's awesome. Glad we're here, dude.
Slug invasion, 13 years ago.
No. I can't do it. I think my dad put this movie on. Like fucking TNT or something.
I can't watch this movie with commercials.
What?
I know, it's
right?
hard to believe it
What?
was even worse.
What's that? Slugs?
No.
Slugs.
Slugs!
I can't do
A
it.
bit of a situation here, honey. I'll come home as soon as I can.
But tomorrow we get to go to OG's house and then the Beverly Center, right?
Whoa, we're not going there.
You know, I'm really waiting for this volcano to happen, but once it is happening,
Well, then they have
how,
to.
Yeah.
how exciting is it? It's going to be like slugs. It's just a slow-moving threat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, this movie would blow my mind if the volcano grew like 4 legs and started crawling around. That'd be awesome. But I don't think it's going to do that.
62 degrees yesterday. Today it's up to 68.
Yeah, it's a sunny day.
It is lovely, isn't it?
There he is.
That's a lovely day. Well, this black guy with 1 leg rolls by me. Yeah, it's a
Guy in a
lovely
tree.
day.
It's open a fissure. Sometimes magma can find one of those fissures and rise up through it.
What's magma?
Lava.
Lava?
You
What's
fucking know what
magma?
magma is.
What
Shut
the
up.
fuck do you mean, what's
How
magma?
old are you?
How did you get this far without knowing a
Dude,
magma?
I've got to get down there and get
I
samples.
can't let you do that.
Why not?
It is too dangerous. That's why.
You are a woman.
You are a girl with girl brains. You're not going near the tunnel. That's man's tunnel. She just told you what magma is, you fucking moron.
Right here. Yes.
Oh, do it.
Yes, I like it. Why do they sleep in
Books.
different rooms if they're married?
Who?
Tommy Lee Jones and his wife.
Look down. It's cool.
It looks like a cool screensaver.
Damn.
Oh shit. I didn't think she was gonna die. I thought she was gonna make it.
Everyone dies.
That was cool reverse footage.
Yeah,
That was a cool blunt.
Why do they have that effect going in reverse? Because that's not what happens.
That's what happens with this
Sorry,
scary
Steve. How many
volcano.
volcanoes have you been at?
You want to try that again?
No, I owned
What?
it.
David,
I owned it.
did you have a stroke?
Yeah.
What the fuck was
You
that?
sound like that girl from that, what's that car commercial on the radio?
Oh yeah,
Hi,
yeah,
Steve.
Crime to pay only a dime and all that crap.
Yeah.
Sound like Tommy Wiseau. How many volcanoes are you see?
Fucking point.
What the fuck was that?
How many have
Fucking
you seen?
point.
Yeah, how many have you seen?
This one. 3 times.
I hope you're joking.
Once on TV.
Are you joking or are you being serious?
Being serious. No, 4.
Holy shit, dude. You don't like it, but this is your 4th time watching it. That's
Hey.
brutal. Hey.
Shit happens, dude.
None of us want to be where we're at. Whoa. That guy launched. That guy fucking launched.
All right, calm down, everybody. The fire department's on its way. Put some pressure on that for me, young lady.
Are
The
they?
fire
They
department.
just got fucked in the highway, dude.
Dude, there's gray ash coming from the sky. This shit is biblical. Your fucking fire department can't do shit against the devil.
We're gonna jump, right? Here we go. We're gonna be fine. Okay?
the fuck did they get on top of the car?
I don't know. I
Why was
missed
that an option?
Not only that, but you see the jump and the land is all in the same frame, and it's in slow-mo, and it's just not exciting at all.
We're still inside! Somebody get him out of there!
Is he dressed up like a knight?
Get yourself out. You're
Yeah,
an
come
adult.
on. You're a grown man.
He is dressed like a knight.
Stupid head.
That's how he fights fires. With the sword.
Aw, that one just went back in and died.
If we don't deal with it. Here's my name and my pager number.
Not the time, whore.
Yeah, right? You have a husband.
That's my wife.
Alright, that's my wife.
Please, I promise I won't get in the way.
You already have.
Yeah, you
killed
have.
2 firemen.
Yeah.
You killed 2 firemen.
What's Tommy Lee Jones gonna do? He didn't know what magma was.
Yeah, that's true. This guy's gonna fight a volcano. Doesn't even know what comes out of
He's
them.
gonna punch it.
You guys, you gotta be careful. It's really hot.
Guys, it's like a hot soup? Dude, the dog's done.
Yeah. Well done.
It's gonna be a hot dog.
Oh.
Hey.
Wait, that's Wishbone.
Oh, is
Wait, chill the fuck out. That's Wishbone.
Oh.
Save that dog.
Oh, now he's gonna be all bone.
I know you're scared. I'm scared too.
Look, Kelly, I know you're scared. I'm scared too. We both know I shouldn't be driving. Is she killing him? Oh, I thought she was smothering him for a second. Kelly, be a big girl and smother that man in the back. He's not gonna make it. He's only suffering.
You know where the driver of that bus is? What are you talking about? Come with me, come on.
How the fuck would he know that?
Yeah, we're cops, not bus
Dude,
drivers.
yeah, we don't-
Also, who gives a fuck right now?
yeah. Dude, shut up. Do I know where the driver? No.
Ask me if I know how to drive a bus.
Ask me if I know where my fucking mom is right now.
I would have loved this, Rachel.
Why would Rachel love this?
Rachel was. Oh, was that the chick that died?
Yeah.
Oh, because she was a bitch.
Burning! The hole's on fire!
Who's
Oh,
that guy?
that sucks to be that guy.
Who's that guy?
Is this the guy they found? And they fucked his life up.
Dick first.
Oh, damn.
Still, the lad's gonna kill! Fuck me! Keep him still! The lad's going!
Are they asking him to stay still?
Yeah.
You're moving. He's on fire.
Cedars right away. You alright?
You alright first?
Yeah.
What about him?
What about the guy that was ablaze?
That also fell. On a metal ladder.
On his back. They landed on their feet. He landed on his spine.
They got it. They got
He
up
was
immediately.
injured before they put him on the ladder. Then they let him on fire and dropped him on his back.
Are you alright?
Are you okay?
And call Gator. Cedars is gonna be swamped. I want him on.
Maybe make all these plans not 50 feet away from the lava.
Skedaddle.
Let's walk and talk.
Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe this movie needs like giant bugs
Yeah.
coming out of the volcano.
Fireflies.
Fireflies.
Fire spider.
There you go. What the? Why, Dave?
What's a fire spider?
Fuck up.
A fire. I'm just
I'm
saying,
joking.
maybe like spiders on fire.
Hmm.
That'd be scary.
Those fireflies worse. It's a thing already.
Look what a fire spider do.
Walk around on fire.
Yeah, and eat you while it's on fire. You're,
Wait.
like, you're on fire and getting eaten. Imagine being on fire in a web.
Well,
while
then
it sucks out your blood.
I would burn before I would get eaten by the spider. So
I
It's
hate
like-
this conversation. The thing with spiders is they're creepy because of their legs.
Yep.
The fire
What?
spider, it's not creepy. They're just on fire. It's just like fire sticks.
No, what if like a
They
special
can't.
fire and you're just on fire, feeling the pain while you're getting.
Yeah, but
all the
fire
bullets sucked out?
spiders drain fluids.
Yeah.
Oh, what about fireflies? The fuck
if
do
the
they
spider's
do?
gonna eat me, I'm gonna
Yeah.
burn up before
I've never
can
been
eat me.
attacked by a firefly.
Spiders drain fluids. That's how they eat. They're gonna all their fluid's gonna evaporate if you're on fire.
Special fire.
What about fire slug?
They have ice spiders.
Fire slug would be cool because it would be like crawling lava.
Bite-sized lava. Use that word bite in there.
Larvae.
Yeah.
Lava.
Larva.
Alright, we landed on larva. We're trying to think about what the best fire bug would be. Now, I would have thought it's fireflies, because it works with the name. Never thought it would be fire spiders. Thought
why
fire
spiders?
slugs sounded cool, because it's like crawling lava, but we arrived at lavra. Any more ideas? Just throw them out there.
Fire ants.
Yep.
That's all that one needed.
You could have saved yourself so much criticism if you just said fire ants.
Fire.
Nope. Stick with it. Fire spider.
Yeah,
Moved
you should have
on.
followed fireflies with fire ants.
Nah.
You went to fire
I was confident fire
spiders.
spiders.
God damn it.
Get out of here! Dan, you can't save him! Jump!
Nope.
You're not gonna make it.
So you're gonna kill both of them?
Jumps
Are you
right
for
in it.
fucking real?
Jumps right in it.
Are you for fucking real?
I wish he just fell into the lava too.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
He just
he's,
drops him.
he's the Wicked Witch of the East.
Oh,
the
God,
West.
yeah, he's
Whichever one.
melting.
In a horseshoe, okay? A cul-de-sac. That's gotta be a wall at least.
He's drawing a dick.
He drew a dick.
He just drew a cock.
He doesn't know what magma or lava is. Now he's drawing dicks.
I was
laugh.
accidentally drawing a penis.
I'd laugh if he like looked back at everybody. He's like, "You guys don't even know what magma is, really?"
After he just found out this morning.
Yeah.
2, 3.
Damn, it seems like they're all lifting with their backs.
Yeah.
Look at them. Look at the way they're standing.
Remember, put all the weight onto your lower back and thrust up quick.
And twist.
Jerk it. Jerk it back.
Great story. This pot-bellied pig was actually trying to find his...
Wow, thank God for that food. You saved it.
Thank God you saved that pig from becoming delicious.
Maybe start with the water sooner than now.
Then right this second. Yeah, we're still holding for some reason. Care to explain? And plus, even if they do it here, it's not like they put the volcano out.
Like,
Well, honey,
Look at all
on.
that lava.
you guys are cute, but just go home.
Just, yeah, go home. You slowed it down a good amount. Magma detected. Beep boop.
excuse me. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to do that for commentary.
Nick does it all the time.
It's okay, Dave.
I'm used to it.
We'll forgive
I'm
you.
broken.
Damn.
Fucking
A lot of funny.
Is this supposed to be hilarious? Because it fucking is.
Before
Oh
the
look,
chef.
there's that fucking hot dog thing that's like that famous hot dog. So it looks like a dick going in an ass.
What?
There's like that hot dog building that gets posted on the internet a lot because it looks like a dick going into an ass.
Oh, it's so terrible.
Dude, when you nut down our back.
Satellite pictures show the volcano is shutting down.
What do you mean
Pulled
it's
the plug on
shutting
it.
down?
They pulled the plug on it.
The volcano's shutting
We
down?
found the source. And
We turned it
we
off.
set it like a Wi-Fi.
The source was a crazy rare jewel in the center of the volcano. We smashed it and it's powering down. God.
How can you drive? What the fuck?
Yeah, what are you driving in?
You're driving through the hotel.
He's in the middle of the rubble.
Yo, I could get used to this, Mike.
It would be so funny if he said, like, his last line in the movie is, "I'm going home with my wife."
Think we're finally gonna have that baby.
We're ready to start trying. So it's like, maybe it's not too late to stop them, but probably is. We're ready to start trying for that baby.